Hi, my name is Abhinav Lohia. I'm the Director of Global Business Development at Golden Gate Global. Today, we will be discussing advantages of EB5 visa for prospective and current international students. EB5 visa was established in 1990 with an aim to boost U.S. economy by attracting foreign direct investment and creating American jobs. It is a federal government program. It is a direct pathway to U.S. permanent residence or a green card. Green card is granted to investors, their spouse, and unmarried children below the age of 21. It requires a minimum investment of $800,000 in targeted employment areas and $1,050,000 in non-targeted employment areas. It requires documenting your source of funds that you're investing for your EB5 visa application. And lastly, the program requires that your investment should result in creation of 10 new American jobs. So jumping right in, the advantages for prospective students. The first and most important point is that it brings certainty to the admission process. You don't have to wait for a student visa. It has happened a lot of times that students have gotten admitted in their dream universities, but due to consular closure or just it wasn't their day and they didn't get a student visa. There have been times that students have missed an entire semester trying to get a student visa to attend a school in the United States. The next major, and this is a financial advantage, there are three tiers of tuition in US universities, in most US universities. They are in-state, out-of-state, and international student fee. In-state tuition is for students who reside in the state where the university is located, in most cases for at least a year prior to admission. So let's say you get a green card, you move to the States, and you're studying in a high school in the state of California. Because of your residence in US while you're studying in your high school for a period of a year or more, you can qualify at, say, universities like UCLA for in-state tuition. And these end up being the cheapest of the three: in-state, out-of-state, and international student. Out-of-state fees are for students that are residing in America outside of the state of the university. This fee is more than in-state tuition, but less than international student fee. And lastly, the most expensive way to attend a university or a college in United States is being an international student, which is the highest level of tuition at any university. If I was to put things in perspective in numerical terms, if international student fee was $75,000 a year for a course, out-of-state fee would be about $60,000, and in-state fee could be as low as $25,000 to $30,000. So there is a big financial advantage to gaining U.S. permanent residence prior to attending college in the United States. There are scholarships and grants that are available to American students or green card holders, both green card holders and citizens, which could qualify you for a free ride through your college or university, subject to meeting certain criteria. There are more opportunities for students within the United States on a green card or as a citizen versus international students. It also gives you access to federal loans. Now, a lot of students don't need a loan to pay for college, but if you do, federal loans end up being a lot cheaper than, say, a loan in India or some other countries where it could be as high as 10 or 11 or maybe more percent per annum. Lastly, not every course or university or a college may qualify under the student visa program. You can only attend courses where F1 visa can be granted to you. However, if you want to pursue a course or even say a course on Broadway or something, which may not qualify for an F1 student visa, as a green card holder, you can attend those courses. You don't have to go down the conventional path of education or literacy through a college or a university. Now, moving on to advantages of EB5 for current students that have been admitted in the United States. Advantages for current students. Getting an EB5 visa or a green card improves your internship opportunities. It is very important to score an internship while you are in college because in most cases, these internships lead to job offers upon graduation. a lot of times international students fail to gain internships during their school year, and which greatly lessens their chances of getting employed after graduating from school. Also, while you're studying, if you're a green card holder or a citizen, you can be gainfully employed, pay some of your tuition while you're working, while you're studying and working. Whereas international students are restricted to the number of hours or field of work. It should be related to your degree if you're an international student. So these restrictions don't apply to people on green card or US citizens. And lastly, again, scholarships and grants, you can still qualify for it if you become a green card holder while you're studying, and this can greatly reduce your cost of education. I hope this was helpful. If you need more information about EB5 visa, you can log on to 3gfund.com or email us at info@3gfund.com. Thank you.